Namaste, good morning. As you are studying dance in the university, on the university level postgraduate course, how and when dance was considered as the subject we should look into for the world over. And so today we will understand and know about some of the prominent dance institutes and universities in the USA, and maybe at some point of time you may wish to go and study there modern dance, ballet, and so on and so forth. Excuse me. Dance as an academic subject is now treated at par with humanities and social science curricula. Performing art as a co-curricular subject was introduced far back in the education system. But the different forms of performing arts like dance, drama, and music had been taken in the mainstream of education like as the honor subject not very far back. In America, we find almost all the educational institutions, that is colleges and universities, have dance departments, or dance is included in the theatre study departments. Among these innumerable academic dance institutes, only the most popular institutes have been we will be discussing about them, and you will get some detail and some information about them. Also, you can look up to the websites and arrange for a ready reference. But I would tell you that I think in 1927 the first department of dance was created in the University of Wisconsin at Madison in the Wisconsin state. The first dance department started by Margaret O. Dobler. She was and is one of the top revered names, like we have Kapila Vatsyanji. Similarly, she was the scholar, performer, and creator of high degree and caliber of dance and dance creativity. This department started in 1927, the first of its kind in the whole of United States of America. And since then till now, the department has BA, MA, PhD programs. They have ballet, modern dance, jazz, performance studies, movement analysis, and Laban analysis, and so much to study, as well as they have a beautiful Margaret Dobler dance theatre where the students, the faculty, and other people from outside the state come and perform. It's a beautiful performance space, and the huge dance department with number of studios, and also they have the interarts in technology, also the videography, dance and video, and many subjects are included. It is considered one of the top universities for dance. Then we go look at Boston Conservatory. Now, Boston Conservatory is in Boston, Massachusetts, and under the direction of esteemed dancer and pedagogue Kathy Young, who has taught classes at over 30 colleges throughout the entire USA. The Boston Conservatory is among the finest schools of dance performance in the USA. Equally at home in ballet, jazz, tap, modern and ethnic styles, students at the Boston Conservatory are offered unparalleled opportunity to study a variety of dance methods and traditions. Additionally, the college is located in a cultural epicenter of America, from Boston Ballet to the Luminarium Dance Company to urbanity dance, and so many more. A number of prominent choreographers and dancers are available for the career networking opportunities throughout the city outside of the conservatory, offering a Bachelor's of Fine Arts in Contemporary Dance Performance, BFA in Contemporary Dance Performance. The Boston Conservatory develops its students as world class artists through rigorous technical training, thought provoking academic coursework, and a focus on the creative process. The diverse curricula includes intensive study of ballet, modern dance, jazz, improvisation, composition, and pedagogy. Faculty leadership is with Kathy Young, the director of the dance division. Earlier, I forgot mentioning in the University of Wisconsin that Professor Mary Alice Brannon, that is Prof. Brannon, she is the world renowned Laban movement analyst, and she was chair there for a number of years at the Wisconsin dance department, and so many others like Claudia Melrose, Jin Van Yu, and Peggy Choi. All these people have really created a wonderful department which is in performance and also in the academics. The Oklahoma City University School of American Dance and Arts Management is located at Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, USA. It is an excellent college that is known for having a triple strength in three prominent dance forms, that is ballet, tap, and jazz. Oklahoma City University's dance program is much more than just about training dancers to be excellent purveyors of classical and traditional styles. The school places a large focus on giving its students a chance at making a successful career in the arts. One of the greatest strengths of this program is providing dance training to be successful in a musical theatre context. Indeed, dozens of their alumni are currently performing regularly on Broadway to the tune of a successful, well paid commercial careers. The Ann Lacey School of American Dance and Arts Management is not just about teaching dance steps or management and teaching skills. It is here to instill character that will serve graduates in their professional careers and personal lives. The faculty, staff, and administration strive to infuse all courses, performances, and activities with the following values, that is respect, reliability, responsibility, ethics, motivation, accountability, courage, focus, commitment, and creativity. Employers desire their graduate because of their professionalism, and graduates live meaningful lives when they embrace a value driven journey in their life. Students take a foundation curricula of dance technique, arts management, and production, teaching dance, choreography, dance history, music fundamentals, and general education courses in the first 2 years. Then students are placed in one of the three major degree tracks on dance, which is dance performance, dance teacher, or dance management for their junior and senior years. Placement in the degree for which students are best matched is based on the students' interest and faculty evaluation of their skills, knowledge, and accomplishments. Choreography and pedagogy courses focus on choreographing and teaching all ages at all levels. In addition to choreography and pedagogy courses, students teach in the Community Dance Center, which is a learning laboratory for dance majors. Dance professors observe students teaching throughout the semester and give individual feedback to each student. University of North Carolina School of the Arts is located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, USA. Boasting an impressive alumni who have gone into impressive careers in dance performance, including former principal of the American Ballet Theatre Patrick Bissell, a current principal in Gillian Murphy, as well as the entrepreneurial choreographer Tracy McIntyre. The North Carolina School of the Arts is one of the very best colleges for dance in America that consistently produces top alumni. The North Carolina School of the Arts is primarily known for its classical and modern ballet programs. Located in Winston-Salem, this school is attached to the University of North Carolina, allowing students the freedom to pursue a double major with the university in conjunction with the degree. Dance programs offered are undergraduate and postgraduate. In the ballet, there is a high school program that is from grade 9 to 12, and ballet students must be at least 12 years old and in the 9th grade to be admitted to this program. Also, on campus housing is available only for students in the 9th grade and above. All high school students follow the academic curriculum prescribed by the state of North Carolina for its high school diploma. Many students who complete their high school studies at the School of the Arts can fulfill the college undergraduate requirements in fewer than 4 years. The college program is Bachelor of Fine Arts and Arts certificates are awarded on the fulfillment of professional standards determined by the faculty of the School of Dance. Dance course requirements are the same for the BFA and Art certificate. However, the academic program courses are not required for the certificate. Students are expected to complete the course of study for the degree or certificate in 4 years or less. A student may, on occasion, receive advanced placement for certain 4th year course if he or she performs for a 9-month period with a professional dance company recognized by the School of the Dance faculty. Then there is the contemporary program for high school grades 11 and 12. The contemporary students may be in the 11th grade to be admitted, although special consideration may be given to exceptionally gifted 10th grade applicants. All high school students follow the academic curriculum prescribed by the state of North Carolina for high school diploma. And then there is the Bachelor of Fine Arts and Arts certificates are awarded on the fulfillment of the professional standards determined by the faculty of the School of Dance. Dance core requirements are the same for the BFA and Art certificate. However, academic program courses are not required for the certificate. And then the Dominion University of California at San Rafael, California. Some dance traditionalists may see this as an odd choice for this study, but make no mistake about it, this school is one of the top colleges for dance performance in the United States. The college has a partnership with Alonzo King Lines Ballet, one of the premier contemporary ballet companies in the entire USA. With access to all of the resources available in San Francisco, this school has become a hot spot for aspiring dancers throughout the globe, which combines the academic prestige of one of the California's oldest universities with the hands-on approach of working with a professional company. A unique and exciting 4-year Bachelor of Fine Arts degree program combines the acclaimed rigorous training and philosophy of one of the nation's premier dance institutions with the comprehensive liberal arts education and social values of the Dominion tradition. Classes are held in both San Rafael and San Francisco. The dance curricula emphasizes ballet as its foundational language, complemented by extensive training in modern dance and other dance forms. It includes ballet, modern dance, the gyrotonic and gyrokinesics, exercise methodologies, dance history, improvisation, composition, percussion, expository writing, speech and rhetoric, maths, anatomy, kinesiology, social sciences, ethics, and a cultural heritage colloquium. With its direct relationship to Alonzo King, one of the famous choreographers, the program offers students unique access to the process and environment in which current dance thought and practice is being shaped. A portion of each semester is devoted to the creation of a new work by faculty or guest choreographer from within the Bay Area dance community and from abroad, who are invited to set works on the students and share their points of view. The culmination of the creative work of the program is a senior project. Building on the knowledge and skills developed through the program, senior students develop and complete a work of choreography to be presented to the community. The Butler University in Indianapolis, Indianapolis is located in the heart of the Midwest. It is a nationally renowned ballet program. Butler University offers to its students the benefit of a liberal arts education as well as an intensive dance performance education. Their strength lies within the classical traditions, as they regularly host productions of many classical ballets, including the Nutcracker and Sleeping Beauty in the recent years. They do also choreograph modern ballets as well, allowing students ample experience working with the choreography of past masters and modern greats. Examples of futures such are Swan Lake, Coppelia, Cinderella or Giselle. The Butler Arts Center, situated at the gateway to Butler's campus, includes Clowes Memorial Hall and Schroth Center for the Arts, among other venues. The renowned Jordan College of the Art is home to academic departments in arts, arts administration, dance, music and theatre. They impart training to provide broad exposure to academic subjects in dance and in other arts, and skills in writing, speaking and analysis from humanities, mathematics and sciences. The Butler University Department of Dance is an accredited institutional member of the National Association of Schools of Dance, NASD. The chairperson of the department is Larry Attaway. University of Arizona is located in Tucson, Arizona. It has an excellent contemporary dance program that turns out many fine young artists and teachers of modern traditions. University of Arizona is also known for having a strong basis in classical ballet and jazz performance. Having the age of classical training as a contemporary dancer is only a plus, and the students of this school have benefited from this powerful combination. The dancers have advanced to major companies throughout the world. In addition, their facilities are unrivaled. All dance majors are given the opportunity to perform in 30,000 square foot theatre known as the Stevie Eller Dance Theatre. Although this program may not be for someone who wants to have an education in a big city, Tucson is certainly bursting with enough culture to keep a young student entertained for a 4-year degree. A remarkable school that has been consistently ranked by many publications as a top 10 dance schools. University of Arizona should be on the top of any young dancers and artists list of applications. The university offers 3 major degrees: BFA, MFA and dance minor BFA. The primary focus is to offer technical training and performance experience that optimally prepares dancers for future professional careers in dance upon graduation. In meeting these demands, the unique triple track design affords students the opportunity to study ballet, modern and jazz with equal emphasis. Students also have the ability in their junior year to taper their programs of study should they desire to specialize or concentrate more heavily on a particular discipline to meet specific future career goals, while still maintaining breadth in their technical foundation. Even though the BFA degree in dance places an emphasis on technique and performing, students are also assured of receiving a well-rounded education. To study dance at the University of Arizona is to have the best of both worlds: a nationally reputed dance program with a conservatory environment in terms of the rigor and concentration, housed within an institution nationally lauded for scientific discoveries and research. MFA, the Masters in Fine Arts, the graduate curricula in dance allows the student to focus on teaching, research, choreography or performance for dance. It also provides opportunities for interdisciplinary studies with other arts, humanities and sciences in support of the student's development as a scholar, teacher and artist. The MFA degree has 2 emphasis areas that allow for intensive focus in performance or choreography. The program facilitates and nurtures dance artists in their area of emphasis while offering a comprehensive graduate education in dance. The MFA degree is 60 units requiring 2 to 3 years of residency at the University of Arizona. The curriculum includes core courses in dance technique as well as courses in theory and pedagogy. And you can take a dance minor, which the School of Dance offers, which is a 21 unit program of study. Dance minors take specially in one of the 3 disciplines: ballet, modern or jazz. And who has not heard of the Tisch School of Arts in the New York University, located in New York, NY. It is long considered to be one of the foremost colleges for dance performance. Along with the Juilliard School, NYU Tisch offers a nearly unrivaled experience as a performer on the stage of contemporary dance in the New York City. Graduates of NYU Tisch have advanced to virtually every single position a modern dance artist could hope to achieve, including spots in top dance companies, professorships at top universities, and soloist honors for a variety of important productions in New York City and abroad. The location is also undeniably unbeatable, as the university is located in the premier city for dancers. At the Tisch Department of Dance, teachers seek to develop and prepare fully realized dance artists to be critical thinkers, fearless leaders and fluent performers. Their bachelor's and master's program emphasize the techniques of ballet and contemporary dance with equal emphasis on performance and choreography. Tisch's location in the dance capital of the world, New York City, allows students to see 2 frequent performances by internationally acclaimed companies. Tisch's own concert series provides students an opportunity to choreograph and dance for a live audience. Graduates have the reputation of being creative muses and innovative choreographers. They find success in concert and commercial settings, performing with world-class dance companies and appearing on Broadway, Radio City Music Hall and the Metropolitan Opera. Through artistry and scholarship, members of the Tisch community make significant contributions to NYU, New York City, and our society. Individually and collaboratively, Tisch conducts rigorous forms of research to produce new knowledge applicable to a variety of disciplines. Tisch strategies for nurturing and highlighting research at Tisch include community partnership, collaboratories, residencies and guest artists, events and publications. Paul Galando, Giada Ferrone and others have been director and dance co-director and such on the faculty. The New York has another university, Fordham University. It is located in the dance epicenter of the USA. It allows its students the benefit of networking and thriving within one of the most culturally diverse cities in the entire world, that is New York. But Fordham has much more to offer than just location. It also offers a partnership with one of the premier dance institutions in the entire nation, the Alvin Ailey School. Founded by Alvin Ailey, one of the most popular modern dance artists of all times, the Ailey School has become a legendary institution which hosts a 30-member contemporary ballet as well as students in the Fordham Ailey program. A program designed for contemporary dance specialties, students are expected to dance 4 to 6 hours a day as well as stay on top of their academic studies. It is intensive yet rewarding to those who succeed in the program. Their BFA program offers the best of the two worlds, the artistic preeminence of the official school of the world famous Alvin Ailey, American Dance Theatre, coupled with an exceptionally brilliant liberal arts education rooted in the Jesuit tradition of academic excellence. And we come to the Juilliard School of Arts. Without much question, Juilliard is and has been for decades the very top school for dance performance in the entire world, as well as for acting and for musical studies. The program is known throughout the industry as being the gold standard for contemporary dancing. However, the college is also strongly tied to the tradition of ballet and other forms as well. There is even a faculty member who is renowned for ballroom dancing. Whether you choose Juilliard for prestige, the location, the opportunity, the network, or all four of these reasons and more, you possibly cannot choose a better college for dance. That is said, the acceptance rate into Juilliard is around 8%, making it the most selective school on this list. Our list. Juilliard's dance division has achieved a reputation throughout the dance world for the superior quality of its education and artistic training. Under the artistic directions of Lawrence Rhodes, Juilliard Dance aims to create true contemporary dancers trained equally in classical ballet and modern dance. Guest choreographers and teaching artists support the renowned Juilliard faculty in opening the dancers' eyes and minds to all the choreographic possibilities that lie ahead. Graduates of the program dance with ballet and modern dance companies across the United States and abroad. They also are among the directors and administrators of respected companies worldwide. The dance division offers 4-year undergraduate program leading to a Bachelor's of Fine Arts BFA with liberal arts requirements or a diploma without liberal arts requirements. Most students in the dance division pursue the Bachelor of Fine Arts degree. In addition to the dance and dance related studies, the 4-year degree program includes 24 credits in liberal arts department, Lawrence Rhodes, Riza Steinberg, Brenner, Janice Brenner, these are all top people concerned and connected as artist director, dance, modern dance, choreography, such. The Mason Gross School of the Arts, Rutgers University, is located at New Brunswick, New Jersey. It's about 45 minutes out of the New York City on the New Brunswick campus of the Rutgers University. The Mason Gross School of the Arts dance department heavily focuses on the intersection of dance performance and research inquiry. Students receive instructions in dance technique, somatic studies, performance, choreography, pedagogy, and theoretical studies. Mason Gross School of the Arts is the flagship public arts conservatory of New Jersey. It is a community of artists, dancers, filmmakers, musicians, theatre artists, and visual artists who study, teach, create, perform, and exhibit. The mission of the school is to nurture creative talent and instill the insights and skills that future generation of arts professionals need to contribute to the creative and scholarly world. The school offers undergraduate and graduate degrees in dance, filmmaking, music, theatre, and visual arts. In addition to its professional arts training programs, Mason Gross provides the larger creative community the opportunity to embrace the creative arts through the activities of its 4 divisions. Arts Online is one of those. The Mason Gross School of the Arts reaches out to the community via Arts Online course offerings, serving artists of all ages and abilities. The year-round Mason Gross presents even series featuring esteemed visiting artists and top-notch student artists. And the annual Rutgers in New York series of performance and exhibitions. George B. Stauffer is the dean here. So we have got an overview of some of the most prominent universities offering dance as a main curricular subject in the America. Thank you.